Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Today we will be drawing a clenched fist, a hand that is rolled up into a fist, like so. Now, to best do this, we start off with a very light circle, and that line running down, and then just have two lines, very thin strokes running alongside like so, and have one line at a slant this way. So once again, very thin circle, two lines running round about there, and one line at a slant, very thin line like that. Now this is our draft, and we will be working to build the hand around this. So to get started, we will construct the palm of the hand first, and a part of that forearm, and now comes the tougher part. Now that you have this shape on paper, start working off this and have an arc like so, and let's put down one oval, two ovals, three, four. Now please remember that when you look at the model of the hand, you have to size the ovals accordingly. This should be the largest one or tallest one. Second tallest, smallest, and as you have guessed, that this will be where our thumb will be, and the index finger, the middle finger, and the second largest finger, and then our smallest finger right there. And we will start constructing. I think the easiest way to do this, in my opinion, is to first start with the thumb. Now please remember that anatomy is a wonderful thing, and everyone's hand is more or less different in terms of thickness, size, length. So you could Google an image and use that as a basic model, but you could also do some freehand practice on your own hand as a model. So that would be our thumb, and then with the general idea of the middle of the fingers, the middle joint, run right here at the top. We're going to put down roughly, and again with very light strokes, the fingers one by one, Please remember that this is not, we are not achieving any perfection here. This is essentially practice, and you will find yourself making changes as you proceed with the drawing. So every finger you could cap off somewhere around there. And then, depending on what angle you had the hand in, you could add some details. For instance, a bit of the finger folded, showing like so. Put in some skin folds right there, and at this side try to add a bit of the outer side of the folded hand right there. And then as you solidify or make the lines solid, you should be able to come up with some sort of image of a clenched fist or a closed hand. And then of course the details can follow, again, like some shading right there. But that is everybody's practice, everybody's experience and mileage will differ when it comes to the details, and you can have a lot of fun with this as you keep practicing and making a more detailed and accurate clenched hand. It is a very, very popular image, whether it is in posters, in movies, in sci-fi lore. So that is one simple way of doing it. I hope this video has been of some help. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. Have yourself a wonderful day.